Ever wondered what a typical day in an HR admin's life looks like? Imagine a day filled with follow-ups, meticulous tracking sheets, endless manual tasks, and more. From onboarding to farewells, from contract renewals to birthdays, HR handles it all. Yet, sometimes they face delays because there's just so much to juggle. Picture a simple employee exit. It's more than just a goodbye. There are tasks to handle, people to coordinate with, and all on a ticking clock. But what if we told you that we have a solution for this? Introducing greytHR Workflows, a newer and better version. With the enhancement on the greytHR Workflows, you can now create seamless workflows for any date-based event, assign reviewers, and define comprehensive task lists. These workflows get triggered automatically based on configuration before, after, or on the date of the event and eliminates the need for manual intervention. Not sure how? Let's look at an example and see how you can also manage employees' last working day hustle seamlessly. Navigate to Workflow, Setup, and Workflow Levels. Click Add Workflow Levels to kickstart an event workflow policy. Select the workflow type as Events. Enter a name for the policy and a short description. From the list of event types, select the employee last working day and apply a suitable employee filter. Save it, then move to the workflow level settings to select reviewer levels. You can select up to 5 levels of reviewers here. Select a job role as the first reviewer and also the application actions. Here comes the complementing part of this workflow, adding tasks. When you click Add Task, you can create a task list for the selected reviewer. For example, enter the task name here as Collect Back Assets with a short description, also allowing you to add attachments. Another added benefit of this feature is the ability to add a customized form for the reviewer, along with the option to add attachments. Save it and assign more reviewers in a similar manner. Click Next. Workflow settings will help you define the options to trigger the workflow. Select before the event date, then total days. That's it. Review and submit your workflow policy, which is saved as a draft. Then activate the policy to enable it. Indulge in the present and let your worries fade away. Whenever an employee's last working day is nearing, the configured workflow will automatically trigger, assigning tasks to the respective reviewers. Once the review requests are assigned to the respective reviewers, they can complete the tasks assigned to them and take the required action. You can monitor the progress of the event workflows. Moreover, with the help of Query Builder reports, you can effortlessly create a detailed report of the date-based event workflows, and can also extract the data provided in the custom forms. Done and dusted. You can just sit back and relax now. greytHR Workflows saves you time, reduces errors, and boosts overall efficiency. You can now say goodbye to the old ways and embrace the power of greytHR Workflows.